One method to make somewhat of a complex roof is by subtraction. Let me show you how to create subtraction through masses that we create. So let's take a look at this building inside. Pick the roof, edit it in place, pick the roof, allow it to be edited. Instead of going from here 0 in this direction, we would like to go 4 feet and see what happens. Alright, apply. So when 4 feet overhang, now I want it to go 6 feet overhang, you get the sense of where I'm going with it. So I create an overhang, but I don't want that overhang to be that whole distance. I want it to be smaller. So what I like to do is, as I'm working with this, I haven't done the second check. I'm going to go to create a void negative. Now I'm going to cut out a portion of it. And I'm just going to see it so I can see look at it so I can see the wireframe. So I'm going to turn on the wireframe so I can actually see where it's going. So I want to create a zone this way. About this much. Looks good for the overhang. Now I would like it to go from 0 way above the roof so it cuts into the roof easily. 25 feet looks about right. Say apply. Look at it in 3D. It'll show you in 3D where it goes. So it goes enough. So if I didn't need to go, but at least I need to go that far. If it goes down below, it won't cut into the roof. So I need to go above that. Alright? So hit it. It chopped off the roof. Now I like to create a path that goes parallel to my roof slope. I go to the site, create a path, architecture. I'm just going to make it out of my floor again. So go floor. Alright, 12 inches fine for now. And I'm just going to create a path that goes about the same size as this. I want it to be aligned with the edge of the house right there. Okay. Now I like to create stepping paths as well that goes right along here. So what I like to do is offset this line. So I'm going to pick this line, offset it about, I don't know, 2 inches or 4 inches. 2 inches is good. 2. Now maybe 3. That looks a little bit better. Now I'm just going to go about 2 feet. 2 feet in this direction. And then that sounds good. And then I'm going to go back 4 feet and then back here and trim it. Alright, now I would like to create these stepping stones or stepping concrete paths regularly. So what I like to do is copy motherly hug from this joint. I'm going to copy that from this joint to this joint. Alright. Now if I wanted to create multiple copies, I'm going to copy, and I'm going to click on multiple from this joint to that joint. I'm going to keep on going to this joint, to this joint, to this joint, to that joint, to that joint, and I'm going to keep on going. Okay. Now I'm going to go click. And it says there's something that's copying more because it's crossing that area. I need to take out this last one. Edit, boundary. Alright, so I've got something that's being repeated. So let's click it. And it's letting it happen. So I am good. Alright, so I go here, and here is my unit. Now, the reason it complained about me is because it's happening within this unit. I want to raise it up. I want to go to negative maybe 8 inches or negative 4 inches. See what happens. I want to raise it. Okay, too high. Negative 4. Negative 4. Apply. And it says it's overlapping. I'm okay with it overlapping. And here it is. So it's overlapping. It's into this space. I'm okay with that. I can go back to the site plan, and I can easily change that, edit boundary, and I'm going to just erase all of that, erase this, and create a new boundary, nice and big, so it covers a great deal. All right, so draw a rectangle, nice and big. There you go, and same composition, and I'm good. Looking at it in 3D, it just covers a whole lot more, so I can see my building